Good morning. This is a quick share for Etsy, so there's no tutorials in this, so bypass it if you're not interested. I've boxed up all the journals now with their kits, and I just want to run through basically what you'll get in each kit. I'm going to call them kits because you get, this is the rose one obviously, you get a naked journal all ready for you to decorate up to the hilt, do whatever you like with. Yeah, I'm just going to flick through, probably not talk too much. So that's that. So much in here. I've also put together little packets of embellishments, which is beads, buttons, bold pins. Obviously each one will be a variety of. I just lost a bead. So that's that one. And then in this little package is some more buttons, paper clips and stuff like that. So all the bits and bobs you need to decorate stuff, your pages. So that's in that one. In each of these bags, I've put them into different bags. When I showed these last time, I had them in the big candy bags, but yeah, they just didn't fit, I'll be honest with you. So again, each one has got similar, not identical, okay, just understand that. But you know, you're not going to be lacking of paper doilies, flora, fauna, tags. Yeah, there's all sorts in there. Okay, so it's a big embellishment pack there, which now won't go back in the bag. Yes, it will. That's bag number one. Bag number two has got all the snippets and trims, page tabs, all sorts in there. Okay, it's another bag of pretties. I tried to keep it as plastic free as possible. These are greaseproof paper bags. Hopefully they'll be moisture proof. When I send the parcels, I'll be taping all the edges. They're in specifically made boxes here. This one's got pink tissue. I ran out of pink tissue because we're in lockdown again, so the rest have got white. There's an accessory pack. Now the rose journal is the only one that's slightly different. The others, because, let me just explain that, because I've already done the wooden frame on the rose one here, this hasn't got it because it's already got it. The others do. Okay, so you can make a decision on the other journals as to whether you want to add a little topper. So I've put in a metal book plate. These are dead easy, just stick them down, or you know, if you've got some brads. I haven't got enough brads. I was going to put brads in, but I haven't got enough to make up the sets for all of the journals. And then here we've got some Edith Holden paper, napkins, okay, lots and lots of napkins, envelopes, CD envelopes, brown envelopes, some more of these little ones that I've put all the embellishments in, so keep those and use them as pockets on in your journal. Some random book pages from an art book. Hopefully there's no rude words in there. And then some music paper as well. Okay, so it's a nice little paper kit basically. Obviously then use the lace to decorate your pages. You do you. It's completely up to you. Right, so the way I am planning on packaging it is like so. All carefully engineered to try and fit in this box, hopefully. Right, so that's all in there. Now the journals themselves, what I'm planning to do is, I've got this lovely brown paper which I've been using quite a lot lately. Again, use this for backing tags and stuff like that. Okay, it's all completely reusable, every bit of packaging, I think. Even the tissue paper that comes in the box you could make some nice decorative things with. Right, okay, so let me just move the box to the side. Now, this is my rubbish packing skills. obviously reuse the washi as just little decorative elements on your pages. I've been as generous as I can be, keeping it within a sensible weight, because you know, if they go out of the country, it's, yeah, I've got to calculate shipping. Yeah, it's tear, thank you. Yeah, I don't know what it's going to be yet, but it will be accurate. Okay, I do not diddle on postage. I simply will not do that. So you can always be rest assured that I have carefully either taken it directly to the post office, or I've calculated it myself. So, and then I'm just going to tie a very loose knot there, and then the last little trimmy thing is a decorated bulb pin. I don't think it needs it, but we'll put one on anyway. Okay, so that will sit on there like that. So each one will have the same ribbon. It's a silk sari ribbon. Okay, and then hopefully that will all fit in. Tuck it all into bed. I'll make a better job when I come off screen. Okay, and then they're going to go in these boxes. As I say, they will all be sealed. Yeah, they're quite heavy. So anyway, so that's the rose one. Let me just quickly show you the others. And the contents are exactly the same, apart from these ones where they will have, actually this one don't. Right, so this one, there's a little extra package here. Is it in there? Oh yeah, there is. Yeah, so I've put a little book plate on this one, so you can add that on there if you like, and a frame, because it just was in there. So that's that. So that's the only difference. As I say, the rose one's already done. So let me just scoot this up. These will all be wrapped the same. Okay, so they've got exactly what I just showed you on the other one. I'll wrap them. This is the more plainer of the t-shirt journals, so I made this topper for this one. I think it's in keeping, and again, just a very quick flick through. Lots of pages. I think I counted an average of 26, which gives you no, it was more than that. 26, 52. Yeah, so it was 26 ones. Sorry, hang on. Let me just do the math. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Come on. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. It was 19. No, I got 26 from. So that's 19. That gives you 38. So 76 sides to write on, basically, and then there's the tags and stuff in there. So as I say, I will wrap these all up exactly the same. And yeah, so you've got the same trimmy bits, the little extras there, beads and buttons and stuff. So yeah, so that's that one. I'm just going to focus on the journals. Okay, they've got exactly the same. So that's that one. I will, when I put it on Etsy, as you click on the options, it will bring up a picture. Well, I mean, that's a real good benefit now with Etsy. They've done that you can upload yeah, pictures for each thing, basically. Again, so that's that one. Just give you a quick flick through the pages. Yeah, completely random. I love them. I'm really pleased with these. Again, needs wrapping, that's fine. And even the cardboard box, you could make 2 journals out of this. Okay, it's that size. This is the other t-shirt journal, but this one has all the sequins on, which I can't catch in the light. Get it up closer. There we are. Yeah, so it's got all the, it's already decorated, this one. I didn't want to put anything else on it. And on the back, I don't know if you can just catch, it's all beaded on the back here, so it's really nice and tactile. Again, I'll do as slow as I can. Let's just do a quick flick. Come on, behave. It all wants to go at the same time. Yeah, so it's botanical, birds, all sorts. Colouring page if you get bored. Music paper, gel prints. Yeah, I say they're quite eclectic, but I personally love them. So yeah, so that's that one. Again, all the same stuff. That one does come with the frame and the metal bar. If you want to use it, you don't have to. Keep them in your stash for when you make a journal, and then you can use them on your made journal that you're going to make out of this, aren't you? Sorry, the sun's just decided to come out, so it might throw it a bit wobbly. Okay, here's the next one. This box is not behaving. Okay. So these are my marbled, as the previous one was, marbled fabrics. Okay, bit of Edith Holden in the front of this one. I'll give you another quick flick through. Of course, it doesn't want to behave, does it? Yeah, so that's that one. Last one. Promise. This is the smaller journal. Let me give you a size. The others were all what I call A5, which is in the UK an A4 sheet folded in half. So this one is 7.5 inches tall by 5 2/8, I think they call them, eighths. Yeah, quite a nice one. It's quite, you know, it fits in the hand nicely. So this could be a daily one. And with all journals, you know, just chop the threads and rethread your own papers in if you want to. It's completely up to you. Get that in screen. Again, little. I'll just flick. I'll flick as quick as I can. Sorry. I did put pockets in this one because I needed to fold up the music paper. So this is the only one that I've kind of decorated. So you got a couple of tags in there. More colouring papers, gel prints, Edith Holden. Yeah, all sorts going on in there. Alright, so it's quite a sweet little journal, that one. And same accessory pack, same frame, everything's the same. As I say, they all will be wrapped and finished with those. So there we are. I'm hoping to get them on today. It might be tomorrow, because it's going to be quite a lengthy listing to put up. Well, I say that, actually it usually goes quite quickly. Yeah, I need to calculate shipping and everything, so bear with me and I'll get them up as soon as I can. If you favorited the shop, you'll get a notification when they're on, if you want to buy one. Alright, I'm going to leave it there. Thank you very much, and I'll catch you on the next video. Bye.